How to fix Instagram story music feature not available problem. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So if you are experiencing issues with the Instagram story music feature not being available, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot the problem. So, first of all, check for app updates and ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed, as outdated apps may not support all features. Also, check your network connection and ensure that you have a stable one, as sometimes poor connectivity can prevent features from working properly. And you can also reinstall the app. So if none of the previous solutions work, you might want to try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Instagram app, as this can help resolve any software issues. And finally, you can contact Instagram support. So if the problem persists, consider reaching out to Instagram's official support channels for further assistance, as they might be able to provide specific guidance based on your account and device. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix Instagram story music feature not available problem. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.